Hi, welcome to GN Virtual Classes. For success in competition exams, our team will provide you the best study material. Subscribe us for updates.
Good morning, student. Welcome to GN Virtual Classes. I am Assistant Professor Jasprit Kaur from GN College of Education. We make efforts to provide you a CTET, PTET exam syllabus for achieving your success. So, in earlier videos, I have explained syllabus of a PTET or CTET exam language 2, language and learning topic, teaching of principles of teaching English, noun and pronoun. So today I will teach you about adjective, types of adjectives and degrees of adjective. So means first of all I will explain the meaning of adjective. Adjective is a word which qualifies noun or pronoun. Example, he is an intelligent boy. Here he is a pronoun and the word intelligent is adjective which qualify the boy, means which define the quality of a boy. Boy is a intelligent. So it qualifies or define the quality of a noun or a pronoun. Next is the types of adjective. First is the adjective of quality, which explain the words that explain the quality of human beings, animals and things. This defines the quality of human beings, animals and things. Like, she is a pretty girl. She is a pretty girl. Here she is a pronoun, pretty is adjective which define the quality of a girl. Girl is pretty. So this is the adjective of quality. Next is the adjective of quantity. Quantity means it defines how much quantity do you have. Words like adjectives of quantity, some, enough, a little. Example, give me some milk. Here milk, some is a adjective. So this is the adjective of quantity which describes the quantity of a thing. Next is the adjective of numbers. This is further divided into two parts. Adjective of number defines the quality of numbers, and this is divided into two parts: definite number, indefinite number. Definite adjectives are those adjectives which tells us about particular number, and these are further divided into two parts: ordinal, cardinal. Ordinals are first, second, third. Ordinals are first, second, third. Cardinals are 1, 2, 3, etc. And indefinite adjectives of number are which do not describe exact number, like all, many, several, etc. For example, many students complete home task. Here many is a number of adjective, that is indefinite adjective. Definite adjective which describe the exact number, but indefinite adjective do not describe the exact number. Next is the demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjectives are those adjectives which describe the particular thing. The words this, that, these, those are the demonstrative adjectives. For example, this is difficult book. This book is difficult. This describe the particular book which is difficult. So difficult is the adjective and this demonstrate which book is difficult. Next is a distributive adjective. Distributive adjectives are those adjectives which define one number one at a time, like each, every, either, neither, etc. For example, each student must enter the hall with admit card. Here each is a adjective. It means each and every student have to enter the class with the admit card. Next is the interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjectives are those adjectives which start with the WH question words and which is asking in a question forms. Words like which, what, whose, etc. For example, whose book is this? Whose chalk is this? Is the example of interrogative adjective. Next is a possessive adjective. Possessive adjective means possession over a thing. The words are my, your, our, his, her, its, etc. The words which are possessive adjective. For example, this chalk is mine. This chalk is mine. This is our classroom. This is our classroom. Here our is the adjective. Which adjective? Possessive adjective. Next is the exclamatory adjective. The words which describe the beautiful scene and sometimes we are surprised to see something, and these adjectives are exclamatory adjective because they have a punctuation mark of explanatory, like what a lovely day, what a beautiful flower. Next is the emphasizing adjectives. Emphasizing adjectives are those adjectives where we lay stress on the object. For example, this is my own house. Here own is an adjective. Which type of adjective? Emphasizing. Here I emphasize on object house. House is mine. So this is my own house. So these are all types of adjective. The question asking from these types of adjectives are like, I here write an example. She is a good player. You have to identify which type of adjective is this. This is a adjective of quality. And here, which word is adjective? Good. Good is the adjective. Sometimes you have to ask, circle or underline the word which is adjective. And sometimes you have to ask the circle the odd one out, like intelligent, brave, so good. Intelligent, brave and good, all these are adjectives of quality, and here odd one out is so. So you have to circle odd one is so. So you have to know the list of adjectives. Mostly the students know the quality of adjectives. They don't know the quantity of adjective, definite number of adjective, indefinite number of adjectives. So you have to know all the list of adjective so you can answer any question. And sometimes you have to write a fill up, like I have pens. So here I have some pens. Some is the Some comes under the indefinite adjective. Indefinite adjective. I have some pens. So further I forward to the degrees of adjective. Degrees of adjectives are of three types: positive, comparative and superlative. Positive is the degree where there is no comparison. Like good, he is a good boy. So there is no comparison. Here good is a degree of adjective. And in the second comparative, we compare two persons. Here he is a better boy. He is a better boy. It means he is better between two students. He is better between two boys. And next is a superlative. Means a comparison between more than two students, more than two or three. Like he is the best boy. So it is the superlative degree. So in the superlative degree, the article the always come before the superlative degree. And here in a comparative degree, a, and in a positive degree, a. So you have to know positive, comparative and superlative. Positive is there is no comparison. Here we explain only one person, and in the comparative we compare two persons, and in the superlative degree we compare more than two persons. So there are 6 types of degrees. First type is most adjectives generally form a comparative degree with suffix er in a comparative form and est in a superlative form. Like I write here, like, liker, likest. Rough, rougher, roughest. And in type 2, adjectives of 3 or more syllables contain more in comparative degree and most in the superlative degree. Like beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. It has more than 2 syllables. Beautiful. So it contains in a comparative degree more beautiful and in a superlative degree most beautiful. And the type 3 adjectives ending with the full ver take more and most. Like active, more active, most active. And type 4 adjectives ending in y or ly add ier and iest in the comparative form and in a superlative form. For example, pretty, prettier, prettiest. Here and the word is ending by a y, and here I write on the behalf of the y ier and here iest. And the type 5 consonant preceded with the by short vowel sound double itself and adds er and est in the comparative and the superlative form. For example, big. Here I is the vowel and it is a short vowel. So the consonant preceded by it. So we double the consonant, bigger and biggest. Then type 6 is the miscellaneous words which don't come under the 5 types, like bad, worse, worst, good, better, best. So you have to learn miscellaneous words, and the other types of degrees you have to learn the rules. Like you have to know 3 or more syllables contains in a comparative form more and in a superlative form most, and the adjective ending with full ver take more and most in the comparative and the superlative form, and the adjective ending with the y or ly contains ier and iest So the consonant preceded by the short vowels double the consonant, and er and est the comparative and the superlative form. And the questions from this type of degrees of adjectives come like, you have to write a degree of like he is For example, you have to ask a question like Philip, he is dash in job than his friend. Here is given good. Here is the comparison between two persons, he and his friend. So here comes a better. So you have to put which degree, like comparative degree means comparison between two persons, superlative means comparison between more than two or three persons. Like if I write here, she is girl in the class. Here I write pretty. She is dash girl in the class. In the whole class, prettiest. So there is a comparison between among more than two or three persons. So here I write she is prettiest girl in the class. And sometimes you have to ask questions like which type of degree is this? Like I write here, he is a better boy. Here better is which type of degree? Comparative degree. He is the best boy, and the best is the superlative degree, and he is a good boy, that is the positive degree. So I explain the adjective. Adjective is a word which describes the quality of a noun or a pronoun, and types of adjectives, and then the degrees of adjective. I hope you understand, and I ask you to please subscribe and like our channel so that we can introduce you with new topics, and I hope you will succeed in your life and become a successful person. Thank you so much.